If you have ever needed a flyer urgently, maybe for your business, for an event, or a quick announcement, and you don't know where to start, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create clean, professional flyers using AI, completely free. And in just a few minutes, you don't need any design experience. You don't need any paid software. I will walk you through the exact steps I use. So by the end of this video, you can create your own flyer from scratch and start using it immediately.
So this is exactly how I create my own flyer. You are free to modify according to what you want to see on your own flyer. So I told ChatGPT, I want to create a flyer for my business. So I put my business name, WB Smart Solutions is my company name. And our services include AI video production, online specialized trainings, one-on-one mentorship, AI video production for animated storytelling, for product and services, for marketing, for any event. So I want you to help me with a good outline that can be used on the flyer. Also, you're going to add human realistic avatar that will go with that flyer. So this one now, I'm telling it that it should help with an avatar. So if you're going to be adding your own avatar, maybe you have a photo you want to add on your flyer, you may not need to tell it that one. If you want this exact prompt, I will share with you. Just comment prompt in the comment section. This is where you're going to state how you want your flyer to look like. You're also going to tell it, I'm going to be adding my logo. I will send my logo to you. You say it. I used the voice feature on ChatGPT to read out what I want it to create for me. So you're going to tell it that you send your logo and then you give it other instructions, just like I did mine. So now it responded and said this with the flyer outline. Give me the header section, the Smart Solutions. Then if you have a slogan already for your own business, then you already put it there. You put it there in your prompt. You state everything. You state everything you want it to create for you. But I actually do not want ChatGPT to be confused, is why I started this way. So now it responded with the flyer outline, the header, then the other captions that I may actually take off. Then it gave me the about section itself. And this is actually what we do. Then our services, it listed that. AI animated storytelling, specialized online trainings, one-on-one mentorship, then why choosers. So all of these are actually too much for flyer. So then he added the call to action. Of course, there should be a call to action. Your call to action is what are your intending viewers, your intending whoever sees your flyer or whoever sees your flyer and is interested in patronizing you, what are they going to do? So that's a call to action. Are they to click on a link? Are they to visit your website? Are they to call a phone number? Are they to reach out to you through your social media pages? That's what the call to action is. So look at them. So then the design direction he gave me, he said the background, deep charcoal, this and that, the color and all of that, realistic human avatar. He also gave the description of who the person is going to look like. So look at this. Then the image prompt. He also gave me the prompt to generate the image, like the image of the avatar. So, and that's that. After that, it's a bit long. You just go through whatever it gives you. It might not give you the exact response as I got right in my own case. So after that, I went down and I told it the phone number. I gave him my phone number and I told you to remove the website for now because we're actually working on our website. So I said, remove the website section for now, remove the brand positioning and one-on-one growth blueprint. Everything I wanted you to modify, I told you to do so. Replace monetization roadmap with, I wanted you to change the text. I said, replace AI workflow with AI video production. I gave it all I wanted it to. I gave it all I wanted it to do for me. So if you look up, before that, I actually responded. If you look at this part, I actually gave it my color. I gave it the colors that are for my brand. I said, I pasted it and said, these are my brand colors. And then he modified the color part of the outline he gave. So after then was when I now gave it further instructions, modify, all that he gave me, the outlines. I told you to remove some parts. I told you to replace some with another text and all of that. So now he did that for me. As you can see, he did all of that for me. Can you see call to action, why choose us and all of that? I still gave it further instruction AI is all about you giving it instruction. Whatever you tell it to do it for you. Okay, so I did further adjustment. So this is the adjustment you will make under the AI video production. Put AI animated story as part of it and remove every other thing under AI animated story. And then it rewrote everything for me. So now after this, I now said, and I uploaded a picture that I want to use. I said, maintain everything in this picture, include the skin color, the face, the shirt, everything in this picture. Use it to create the flyer for me, right? And then look at what it did. And you see, this is so clean, and this is based on the color that I gave it. Okay, I wanted to say recreate the flyer the same way you did, but remove the YouTube logo from the shirt, remove Dolly B from the shirt as well, and it did. So, and we got this. Then you can go ahead and save. You just click on save to save it on your device. So that's how to create flyers using ChatGPT. It's so easy. Remember to give it the instruction. Give it the instruction you want. Remember to upload your logo if you want to add logo. Just the same way I uploaded my photo, you upload your logo. Just add your logo, You upload it together using this plus sign here. This plus sign, just click on it and then you upload your logo. You can upload more than one photos. Just look for your logo on all photos. Click on your logo, upload both of them, and then you send. I hope this helps.